The message indicates that one or more slopes are superimposed on each other. The overlapping area is highlighted in red, directly confirming the message. The pitch in error will be not represented in the model. To close the roof correctly, the overlap must be eliminated. Proceed by cancelling the message. Zoom in to see the overlap between the two slopes. Select the vertex of the slope. Help you with the snaps to make the vertex coincide with the other slope. Fix the overlap, exit the editor without further warnings.